I have something to say for all the dancers then. You have to respect yourself in order to get respect. You understand? So whatever you're doing, respect yourself and take what you're doing as a business first and foremost to get respect from others. You understand? So put in the work and put in the passion and just do what you're doing and respect yourself and respect your art form and you will get respect from that.
Wicked.
Most definitely.
Great advice from a youngster. Love it. Take the stage, brethren, and show it to things.
Y'all ready to get funky?
Oh man, my skin soft like silk. I know that alone, the place still. All the girls, I'm gonna pick up on the chest right every time. Watch this. Oh man. You roll, you and you come first.
Big it up. Mechanics girl reverse.
You roll, you and you come first.
Big it up. Mechanics girl reverse.
You not carry belly for your dirty nigga bad mind. Next sleeper man, that walk on chalk line. Enough of them are enemy, enough of them are swine. Don't serve no good purpose to mankind. Stretch out a muggle cause you trash all the time.
Moment of honesty. Someone's gotta take the lead tonight. Who's it gonna be? I'm gonna sit right here until you all that comes to me. And if you have something to say, you should say it right now. You should say it right now. Yeah. You ready? You give me a feeling that I never felt before. And I deserve it, I think I deserve it. It's becoming something that's impossible to ignore. And I can't take it. If you ask me, I'm ready.
Fresh like water, me roll out clean as my heart. Touch on the beach, girl, I scream and I talk. Over 36, baby, pins on me and hear me and live off. Clean up. Every day I make clean. I don't know where I make clean. Clean up. Every day I make clean. I don't know where I make clean. Run straight up. No man no watch that. Yeah, how that party I look so. Da, how that party I look so. How my girl them turn up and I look so. What you do to me? Selector, bounce and when I feed the girl them bubble pan. If you love to see the girl them a bubble, put up your arm. You play a song, the girl star bus blank. Know the girl them time, play a song, the girl white. Big selector a play, you no rookie. Catch the baseline, watch the girl them a should be. Hey, when the girl them a dip it and a drop it to a. If you're not happy, follow me then. Y'all are dash out, so me glad me come out. Ready Philip, what you talking about? Road me live, me no want see no host. We are rave and a wait, and it's something come out. Gala bubble, gala bubble, gala bubble, gala bubble, dem a bubble, gala bubble, gala bubble. Alright then, y'all are dash out, so me glad me come out. Ready Philip, what you talking about? Road me live, me no want see no host. We are rave and a wait, and it's something come out. Bubble gala bubble gala bubble gala bubble dem a bubble gala bubble gala bubble. Alright then.
Yeah, move. Hold on. Don't do. Hey. All right, how you mean? I learned move to it, I have to know. Blessed love yourself. Much respect. All right, there you have it. We hope you've learned a move or two like I have just learned. And nobody want to come test me now? Stay with us after the break right here on stage. The slanger who makes himself a household name in Jamaica from slanging.
But I don't be from the talk. Hey, I'm an insecurity. Too many